So I'm going to be going over a couple of the best exchanges for day trading crypto. Now, personally, I day trade and swing trade. I found doing both gives me the best ROI because if I buy into a coin on any given day and it goes up around 5% or more, I'll take that money out ASAP. Then if I get into a swing trade, I might be in a position that's moving sideways for days, weeks, or sometimes months, which sucks, but it does happen. Now, every situation in trading is different, but what's remained the same is the exchanges I use to trade. Now, I've got two different options for you guys. Then when I'm finished, I'm going to go over 3 coin recommendations I would try day trading with. But first up, my go-to for day trading and swing trading is Binance US. Now, I've traded hundreds of thousands of dollars here. My account is currently holding mainly Engine. I've got around 8,000, but it's been hovering between 8 and 10,000 for the last couple of days. Crypto has been very volatile, but the fees here are super cheap. You're looking at 0.1 to 0.5% for buying and selling, and you're really not going to find anything lower than that. You also have the benefit of using the app, which looks exactly the same as the desktop. And then when you want to place buy and sell orders, there's a simple way to do that. But if you're going to be day trading, you're going to want to use the advanced charting, which is fantastic. And like I said, it looks exactly the same when you're using this on your phone. Now, you can pull up different coins by the volume. You can check out the volume by the minute and up, and then you can place buy and sell limit orders very quickly. Now, it's just a very nice layout, and anytime I put in an order ahead of time, it always places. Sometimes when I've used some of these exchanges, sometimes they don't work, and it's very frustrating because if your order isn't sold on time or if it isn't bought at the price you want it at, I mean, that's a big deal. And Binance US has always been reliable in that regard. Of course, if you guys did want to get started on Binance US, I will have some bonus sign up and resource links in the description. Okay, now to the next exchange, which is going to be Coinbase Pro. So I've got a little bit more money in here currently. I'm in a trade on crypto.com. I'm also holding some Engine here. Now, the layout is very simple and easy to use as well. The main difference with Coinbase Pro is that the fees are a little bit higher, so you can save money using Binance US. And it's basically the same thing, guys. I mean, looking at this, you can do the same exact things on here. The one thing I will say about Coinbase Pro is that I have had issues in the past where orders don't set in right away. It hasn't happened in a while, but I do want to point that out. Okay, now that I've gone over these exchanges, if you have any questions about them, feel free to message me below in the comments. But like I said, Binance US, I've traded hundreds of thousands of dollars, just in the last probably like 6 months. And then, probably less than that, honestly. And then Coinbase Pro, I use that as well. Okay, now I want to talk about some coins that are good for day trading. And I got to throw it up to, or give it up to Ethereum, man. I think Ethereum is a great coin for both day trading and swing trading. Now I'm just pulling up, the price history on it, but for the most part, it's a pretty predictable coin. I mean, just the way it moves. Obviously, no one can predict what's going to happen every single day or every single week. But for the most part, if you're following the market with Bitcoin all the time, Ethereum and the rest of the coins do a lot of the same things. But Ethereum, for the most part, it's stable. Plus, if you get in a bad day trade on Ethereum, you could usually just hold on to it and ride it out, whether it takes a week, 2 weeks, a month, or a couple months. The price usually recovers at some point. Okay, then we've got crypto.com. Now, you saw I own some of this on Coinbase Pro because, honestly, the coin is on a huge uptrend for the last year. It's a coin that you could easily day trade if you wanted to. And it's another one where if we had a big dip, it's probably just going to recover at some point. Crypto.com is just, I think it's just going to blow up in the next, 3, 6, 12 months, whatever you want to say it is. Okay, last coin on here is Decentraland. I've actually got some long-term holds on, obviously all 3 of these coins, but if you're looking at day trading a coin, Decentraland has a lot of movement. Metaverse coins are what it's all about right now, and this one is leading the pack, and I think it's probably going to continue leading the pack, but yeah, definitely some good money to be made. All right, bottom line, guys, if you're looking to day trade, Binance US, it's just where it's at. Coinbase Pro is a good alternative to it. If you have any questions, like I said, message me below. Thanks for watching this one, guys, and we'll see you all in the next crypto video.